Hi everyone, this is the very first video in my spring cleaning series that I'm going to be doing here on my channel, and this first video is all about spring cleaning my skincare products. So I'm going to be taking you into my bathroom and showing you how I'm transitioning my products from winter into spring. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing in my shower and also in my beauty cabinet as well. I'm going to show you the process and what it looks like before and after. I also want to say thank you to Frank Body for sponsoring this video because I have been using their products for like the last month and a half and I have been obsessed, really into them, and you're gonna see some of their stuff in my video today and I'm really excited, so let's get into it. Also, by the way, I just have to mention my lip color. It is Giorgio Armani Maharaja. It is my new favorite lipstick. I'm obsessed with it. It has subtle blue iridescent flakes in it, and OMG, I just had to say something about it. Okay, now we are going to get into it. Here we go. Well, here we are, right outside my shower. Gotta say, it's a little strange to be fully dressed and standing in my shower, but I'm gonna show you the products that I'm transitioning out and also the products that I'm keeping in my shower for spring and summer. Here we are on the floor. Yes, these are my magnificent socks I'm wearing today. And on the floor here, I have the products that I am transitioning out of the shower. So these are mostly deeply hydrating products like a hydrating shampoo and a deep conditioner. I also have a soothing conditioner that helps with itchy scalp and dandruff, and then a conditioning face wash. This is just my regular body wash, so that is always here. The reason why I put these all on the floor is because it helps me to visually see what I'm intentionally trying to use up right now. These are the products that I'm keeping, so those are the shampoos and conditioners that I will continue to use. And then over here, this is Erica's section, but like right here, this is me. This is my face wash, and then these are my two favorite body scrubs right now. If you watched my winter essentials video, then you probably recognize this body scrub. It is from Frank Body and it is their espresso scrub. This has been a newer addition to my routine, but I really love it. First reason why I love it is because it is not as messy as other scrubs because it comes in this package, and you can just take off the top, put however much you want in your hand, and then put the cap back on, and that's it. It's a really creamy consistency, and I found that it quickly exfoliates my skin, leaving it feeling really soft and hydrated and smooth. And it's also less messy just in the shower. I found that it mostly dissolves while I'm using it, and there's just less fallout in the shower, which I really like. It also smells really good. Like, I have to stop myself from wanting to eat this because it smells like delicious cake. That is the only struggle I have with this product, just trying not to eat it. This is something I've enjoyed using in the winter, but I love using scrubs moving into spring and summer as well. They're like an all year round experience for me, so I'm keeping this in my shower. Something that I'm adding for spring and summer that I've just started using is the original Frank Body scrub. And when you open this up, it really does look like a bag of ground coffee. It smells and looks just like coffee. I love it because it feels really stimulating when I'm using it. It feels like the dry, flaky skin that I have is really coming off, especially coming out of cold weather. My legs tend to get especially dry. This scrub has been really great for that. I personally experience body acne, especially on my back. So this just really helps to like exfoliate and helps to clear up blemishes, and also for me helps to prevent them because I will tend to get them like on my arms, on my back, especially moving into spring and summer when I sweat more. Sweating is the main cause of breakouts for me. This is really helpful for me, especially on days when I'm gonna spend a little bit more time in the shower. Maybe my muscles feel a little bit sore from a workout and I want to have more of a luxurious scrub. I literally put this all over and just scrub like from my neck all the places I can reach on my back, everywhere. I feel like I've been reborn after using this scrub. So basically the espresso scrub is like my daily exfoliator, and then I'll use the original coffee scrub like on the weekend when I want a deeper exfoliation. And I like using both of these at night because afterwards I like to wrap myself in my moisture cocoon that goes from my face all over my body. I am 100% into my moisture cocoon. Now here we are on the other side of my bathroom at my beauty cabinet. So these are all the things that I have in my cabinet right now that I have been using over the fall and the winter. And I'm going to be going through my cabinet and pulling out the things that are either completely gone or almost gone. And I'm going to show you what I'm replacing them with, and then I'm going to put the new stuff in the cabinet. The first thing that I did here is I pulled everything out and I organized them in groups to show you what products are being transitioned out and what I'm replacing those products with. This group, I have products that have helped with brightening. So this one is completely gone and this one is almost gone. I'm going to be replacing them with these two, and I've never tried either of these before, so these are brand new to me. This is a brightening serum that's lighter in consistency, and this is a bronzing anti-pollution serum. Moving on to the next group, I have the hydrating toner that I've been using. This is almost gone. I'm going to be replacing it with my Tatcha Essence because this is lighter in consistency and just feels really good, especially in the spring and summer. Here are the moisturizers I've been using. This one from Necessaire is completely gone. And then the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede is almost gone. I'm going to be replacing both of those with my favorite Fresh Sugar Lemon body lotion. I love this year round, but especially in spring and summer because it's very hydrating, but it's also really light on your skin. It's not sticky. I can put this on during the day and my clothes will not stick to it. This is a clarifying face mask that I have completely used up, so I'm going to be replacing that with a new face mask that I got while I was in India. It's from the brand Kama. It's the anti-acne face pack. So this is actually a powder mask that you mix with water. So I'm really interested to see how this works out. For my face wash, I have used up the Tatcha Polished Cleanser, and I'm going to be replacing it with the exact same thing because I just really love this cleanser and it works well all year round. This is especially amazing if you are looking for a gentle, consistent enzymatic cleanser. That's one of the reasons why I love this so much. I feel like it really gets my skin clean and it gently exfoliates it over time. I have a hydrating serum and oil that I've been using. I guess it's time for me to finally use this thing up. I survived the entire winter without spending $300. I will say that. And then I have this, which is almost gone. So once I finish these, then I will be using this, which is also a new product. It's from the same Sweet Chef line, and this is the Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot. This is a serum that's hydrating and soothing. You can see that with a few of these groups, I've been replacing 2 products with 1, and that's just to help minimize the amount of products that I have in general. And any way that I can get the benefits of 2 products in 1, I am all for. The last group we have here is my moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I have been using during the day. It is the Chantecaille moisturizer. It's the Flower Harmonizing Cream. Do not buy this. It was good, but it's way too expensive and I don't like it enough to buy it again. So bye, that's almost gone. Something I would recommend buying is the Asiatica Calming Ampule. This stuff has been amazing, especially in the winter. It is almost gone. I probably have like 2 weeks left of this product, but I have really enjoyed it. And I found that it's also been giving me similar results to Glossier Super Pure. And look how much more product you get. I mean, hello. There's just no comparison. I'm going to be replacing those two products with this new Clinique moisturizer I have. It is part of their new Clinique ID line. This is the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, and that green tube inside is the serum that I have selected to go with this moisturizer. So it actually comes separately and you put it in the moisturizer, which is really cool because they have different serums for different skin needs, but I chose a serum that is calming and soothing. So that will be like these two products in one, except this jelly moisturizer is lighter than this cream moisturizer that I've been using. This is quite thick and heavy, and while it smells really lovely, it is just way too expensive to ever consider again. Bye. Before I put all of the new stuff in, I just want to show you the things that are going to stay here. So these are things that I will continue using, that I love using all year round, / I haven't finished up yet. So these guys are staying with me. If you watched my beauty cabinet tour, then you saw a lot of these already. A few highlights: the night treatments I really love using. The Fresh Lotus face cream is amazing, and also the Belief sleeping mask. Love those two, and I often wear those together. The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, that is really, really hydrating. I love it. It's super easy to use, and I can go to sleep with it on my face. The Drunk Elephant Sukari Baby Facial, love that for exfoliation. Fresh Umbrian Clay, I mean, it's just always gonna be a good one. And then sunscreen. Love me some Make Prem and Tatcha. Now I'm gonna be putting the new stuff into my beauty cabinet. On my counter here next to my sink, I have all of the products that I'm using up. Here on this side of my sink, this is the one new product that doesn't fit in my cabinet, so I just keep it on the side of my sink to use it. And then these 4 products right here are completely empty, so they're gonna go in my empties bag. But having the products out like this just really helps me, again, see what I'm trying to intentionally use up. And I counted them, and I have 12 products that I've taken out of the cabinet, and I've replaced them with 8. So that feels really good to have reduced the amount of products that I'm using. All right, so that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have more spring cleaning videos coming up in this series. The next one is gonna be all about our digital devices and how we can use social media less. So I have some good stuff coming up. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.